Acacia trees are the iconic shrub of the East African savanna. Their thorny thickets house a host of creatures and provide sustenance to local large herbivores, from elephants to zebras. In light of this continual foraging, the plants have struck a mutually beneficial bargain with several species of ants. The insect armies swarm intrusive browsers in exchange for housing and food. But it appears that without such browsing, the trees suffer. Zoologist Todd Palmer and his colleagues examined the interdependence of one such acacia species, the whistling thorn tree, Acacia drepanolobium, the ants it hosts, and the herbivores that eat it. He compared 6 such trees in Kenya that have been surrounded by a fence since 1995 by entomologist Truman Young of the University of California, with 6 trees open to local giraffes, elephants and other acacia eaters. In the absence of herbivores, the whistling acacia stopped producing little ant houses in hollow thorns, known as the machia, and excreting the sweet nectar that its bodyguard ants eat. But instead of spurring more growth, the acacias found themselves more than twice as likely to be providing a home to another type of ant, which does not defend its trees, and relies on invasions of the bark-boring Cerambycis beetle larvae to fill the holes in which they dwell. The cavity-nesting antagonistic ants actually promote the activities of the stem-boring beetle, says biologist Robert Pringle of Stanford University. This in turn stunts the tree's growth and causes them to die twice as often than when they are being regularly eaten by giraffes, elephants and other large African herbivores. The trees are actually making a short-sighted decision by defaulting on their end of the mutualism bargain, Pringle says. If they sustain production of ant rewards in the absence of large mammals, they would reduce their probability of being taken over by the somewhat nasty, antagonistic ant.